What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. EMT here, and in this short but sweet video, I'm going to show you how to recompose your framing with the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AI tracking sensor when filming solo. Alright, so before I give you this tip, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. So one of the most challenging things when filming solo, especially if you're using the rear camera, you can't quite see where you're at in the frame, is composition. As you can see right now, I'm dead center in a frame. But when using the Hohem iSteady M6 with the AI tracking sensor, you're able to change this on the fly by a simple gesture. So first, I'm going to have the AI tracking sensor follow me along, right? And that way I'm able to film solo no matter where I am. You can still hear me because we're using the Hohem Mic 01. We're using Hohem for this video, full decked out. And the cool thing about this situation is that if now I want to change my composition, all I really have to do is hold up pretty much two L's, framing gesture. And now I'm able to step to the left or to the right and lock it back in again. And now the gimbal will follow me, but it will account for a little bit better framing since I'm able to change this. In order to revert that and go back, we just simply hold them up, stand to the middle, to the right, or whichever position you would like to use, and then we do it all over again. And this is not only useful for people trying to showcase another subject, another person, maybe an architectural thing that you want to showcase. So once again, you hold up your L signs left and right, reposition, put it back on, and then it'll follow you no matter where you are. So I've been able to film this video solo without having to interact with the phone. It's followed me, and for this purpose, I'm using the front-facing camera, but imagine being able to do this without seeing the camera with the rear-facing camera if you want a little bit better low-light performance. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them down there so we can continue to create relevant content for you. All the links to the Hohem gear I've been using this past couple of weeks are down in the description. And as always, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I'll catch you on the next one.